Let's go back. Come on. Come here. Good job. Come here, Mittu boy. Mittu, come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Again, left hand. Okay, come on, left hand. Come here. Good job. Mittu, why do you like to come to my left hand only, huh? Mittu? I don't understand that. Okay, let me turn the lights on, okay? Charlie boy, come here. Good job. Let's go, buddies. Come on. Come on, let's go. Be careful, Charlie. Be careful. You feel cold. You'll feel cold if I won't dry you. Charlie. Let me dry your tail. Good boy. Mittu. Finished. I'm leaving here. Okay? It's done. Charlie, are you alright? Charlie, you look like devil. Really? Don't you feel, Charlie? You look like devil, Charlie. Am I right or wrong, Charlie? Mittu looks good, even though he's bad too. Huh, Mittu? What? Are you okay? Do you like to sleep? You gonna sleep now? Okay, sleep, okay? I won't disturb you. Mittu and Charlie had very nice shower, so now it's time to tidy up their porch. They made their porch stand very filthy and untidy, so this time I will replace this dowel with smaller diameter dowels with the hope that ficus will not be collected on top of the porch and won't be that much messy. Watch my next video for more detailed information. Thanks for subscribing and supporting this channel to take it to next level. Until next time, thanks for watching. See ya. Bye bye.